Welcome to the Parent Cafe Classroom, where parents get strategies for helping their children learn to read and read to learn, essentially learning how to tutor their children. If your child is currently in an elementary or middle school and is struggling with reading, this classroom is just for you. If your child merely needs support and you are using our Parents as Tutors series, this is just for you. If you are interested in preparing your child for kindergarten readiness, this class is definitely for you. Parents who use our Parent Cafe Classroom along with our Parents as Tutors series are finding that their children are experiencing improved fluency and a higher level of comprehension. English language learners are also finding our classroom to be beneficial. Come join us in the Parent Cafe Classroom and learn how to be your child's tutor.
Parents, welcome to another session of Parent Cafe. I've been hearing a lot from many of you that you are busy using comprehension intervention and understanding words. Kudos to you. So here's the thing. Now I want you to begin having a discussion on suffix, word endings, suffix. Your children, I'm quite sure, will tell you that they have heard about word endings in school. However, have them move into discussing suffix. For example, today, I'm going to demonstrate to you how we are going to expand a word by adding word endings or suffix like ing, able. And I want you to do this with your child. So I want you to get a chart paper or whatever it is that you use at home. Draw a circle just like I did here. Select a word. Make sure it's like maybe a verb. Teach. Then you have your child to add ER to the word teach. But after you have a discussion about teach, add ER. Ask your child, what does the new word mean? The new word is teacher. What does that new word mean? A teacher is a person who teaches. Okay. Next, add ing to the word teach and ask your child to explain the new word teaching. It's an action. That's what the teacher does. Next, you add the word able, able, teachable, teachable. Ask your child, what does that mean if someone is teachable? That means that the person is capable of being taught. So you see how you've expanded the word, you expanded the word, discussed the new meaning based on the new word endings or suffix, and you talk to them about how suffixes can actually change word meanings. And then the last thing I want you to do is have your children write a sentence or a paragraph using the new words teacher, teaching, teachable. Okay, parents, remember, first you gave the child the word teach, then you added word ending, suffix, to the word teach to arrive at these new words, teacher, teaching, teachable. And when you discussed teacher, that was when your child heard the other one, teaches, when you say a teacher is someone who teaches. And then remember I said that the very last thing you're going to do is have your child write a sentence or a paragraph using the new words that the child created. So let's go. My teacher is someone who teaches me to read. She says she loves teaching me because I am really teachable. That means I love to learn and I make teaching really fun for her. So even though you expanded on the word teach by adding suffix and discussing the new meanings because the suffix changed the meaning of the word teach, right? Even though you did that, you never leave without having your children pull it together in a sentence because now they understand how The different words come together with different meanings to convey a message. So go ahead and do this activity and email me and let me know how it's working for you and your children.